Hello friends, welcome to Mr. AI Wonderscape. I'm your host, M Aslam and today we're talking about something super exciting. Artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is all around us, from smart assistants like Alexa to cool robots and even video games. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face or how YouTube knows which videos you'll love? That's AI at work. Artificial intelligence means teaching machines to think and act smart, just like humans. Imagine a robot friend who can learn, solve puzzles, and even tell you jokes. Self-driving cars, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, and AI in video games are all real-life examples of this amazing technology at play. Now, let's be detectives. Can you guess which of these things are powered by AI? 1, a toaster. 2, YouTube. 3, a robot vacuum. The answer might surprise you. So, how does AI work? Let's break it down simple. Imagine it like a flow. Input, where it gets data. Brain, where it processes. And output, where it takes action. For example, AI sees a cat picture, learns it's a cat, and then says, "This is a cat." Just like how you learn that a dog goes woof after hearing it many times, AI learns from patterns using a special process called machine learning. AI can have lots of fun uses too. There are AI-powered toys like Cosmo or Smart Dolls, and apps that finish your sketches. Around the world, AI helps with smart traffic control in the UK and detecting illnesses in the USA. Did you know AI helps create smarter characters in games like Minecraft or Roblox? AI can solve puzzles faster, but it doesn't have emotions like we do. It's like a friendly competition. AI is speedy at math, while humans are creative and emotional. Want to try a fun AI experiment at home? Use Google's Teachable Machine to create an AI that recognizes your hand gestures. Take pictures of your hands doing different signs and see if your AI can guess them. If you have any cool findings, share your AI experiments with us in the comments or tag us online. The future of AI is exciting. We might see flying cars powered by AI, robots that help in schools, or even AI tracking endangered animals to help save the planet. But remember, kids, AI isn't here to take over. It's here to help us make life better. So, we've learned that AI is like a super smart helper. It can learn, solve problems, and make our lives easier. Tell me, what would you use AI for if you could invent something? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. AI Wonderscape for more amazing